Hi guys! To see how I got this gorgeous ponytail, keep watching! VPFashion sent me this gorgeous wrap human hair ponytail to review, and it comes with this case when you order the ponytail. It zippers open and it comes with the hanger. Look how gorgeous this hair is. It's beautiful. I got this in the color 613A. This is the human hair wrap ponytail in the straight texture. When I washed it and colored it, it did wave up a bit, but I just ran my flat iron through it, and as you can see, it came out so gorgeous. So to get this color, all I did is wash it with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I used my Rue Fanciful Silver Lining rinse. That's what I use in my real hair, so you just do the same exact thing on your human hair extension. If you want to see more detail on how I color my extensions, I will link the video below. I did a full tutorial on how I color them. It has a clip right here, and this is Velcro. So you're gonna wrap that around your ponytail and take this piece of hair and continue wrapping. So I'll show you how I put it in my hair. So I'm going to take the clip and I'm going to clip it right against my head underneath the hair tie. So now it's nice and secure, it's not going anywhere. Then I'm going to take this Velcro piece and squeeze it together as tight as I can. My hair is really thick, so it's not going to close up that much. And I'm just pulling it so I can wrap the Velcro around. Now it's clipped into place. This is actually exactly how I used to wear my hair before I burned half of it off with bleach. It's growing, it'll be this long in no time, but I'm gonna do it exactly how I used to do my natural hair. So this is what I would do. I would just do like a high up ponytail like this, kind of make this like a little poofy. Then I would braid the hair that I'm going to wrap around. So I'm going to do the same thing. Then I'm just going to wrap this piece around right where the hair tie is. Then I'm going to take that piece and just bobby pin it into place. I will leave all of the information for VPFashion down in the description box, and I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put the exact link to this human hair wrap ponytail. Most of you probably know I'm going through a really hard time in my life right now, but I am staying strong, and your support has helped me more than you will ever know. So thank you so much. You all mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!